and a flip. Typical Mercedes problem right here. Goes up to 150. What is the fastest you think this car has seen? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back with another video at IAA and my Big Gulp. Actually, I've been calling it the wrong name. It's a Big Q from QT, the Big Q. Yeah, I gotta have it every day. So anyway, we are here looking for fun cars, fun trucks, maybe something to help somebody out with. And I've just seen this little car right here, and you know how I am with Mercedes. So of course, we're gonna begin with this because it looks nice so far. Where's the damage? Here she is, 2017 GLC 300 in white over this light beige. This is gorgeous. I mean, this is kind of where the industry is moving. Everybody wants the SUV-ish kind of vehicle. They're taller. You can put more stuff in them. And so this is something that Mercedes is providing to the public. And they've been pretty popular. This is the problem right here. She got rear-ended. Yeah, so we will definitely need a tailgate. We'll need a rear bumper cover. We'll need the plastic diffuser part down there. I don't think the damage got into here. Maybe not. Maybe it did. Hopefully this just kind of sacrificed itself and saved the body of the vehicle. But this is nice. And I mean nice. Look at the inside. I love this. With the black carpet and the light beige. I'm not liking the smell. That's a definite thing. Oh my, why? Why do you smell like this, car? What happened? Oh, okay. Well, I love that. I love the wood look and where it kind of slopes down. Very nautical, which is very, very cool. You've got the nice looking roofs, two roofs, like I used to say here in Oklahoma. It's not a roof on your house. It's a roof on your house because you don't read books. You read books, right? That's how I justified it. But that's the word that I had to learn to say properly when I got into the news business, because I would say the roof was damaged, and a news director came in and said, what are you talking about, a dog or something? No, it's a roof. It's a roof here in Oklahoma. Other states call it a roof. Let's end that debate and kind of focus on the car. Typical Mercedes problem right here. They always on the driver's seat, the seam right here or right here gives way because it's so thin and it's just not a quality material, in my opinion. That always happens. That always happens on the newer Mercedes too. That's why I like the older Mercedes. Plus they're way cheaper. They're probably more reliable. This one is nice looking, but unfortunately there is no power. And I can't even, well, that's unfortunate. I guess I could. If you don't know about Mercedes keys, they do come off. And you can flip this little latch down and see the mechanical key. It just comes right out. And then you've got this, which goes right in here. And should try to start the engine. But this one's dead. This is nice. This is gorgeous. I love this blondish kind of teak wood look. That is really cool. But I don't see cup holders. Once again, no, well, I guess in the doors they have added them for here. So the cup holders are in the door. Let me put this back. If I'm good enough to do it with one hand. Come on. I guess I'm not. Hold on. Mike, figure this out. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. Now it's back together. Anyway, let's look at the engine. I love the grille on these. I really do. I think that's a good looking grille. Mike, you got to figure this stuff out better. Here we go. Push it. There it is. Push it real good. Ugh, she needs a real good cleaning. This is really dirty. Yeah. But it's a newish Mercedes, which is a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. Tell me, someone has used the jump point right here to try to start it. So, yeah, okay. Anyway, 2017 Mercedes GLC 300 in white over light, but it's a good looking car. I love the headlights. I really, really do on the newer Mercedes. They're gorgeous. But we have to keep on looking. We got to find something that runs and drives. Hubba, hubba, look what we got here. This is a beautiful blue Kia Stinger. Look at the paint. That is gorgeous with the black. And you got the nice rims. This is really, really cool. You got some Champiro HPY tires. Haven't heard of that. I like the back of these and how they kind of carry this through. That's nice. Very, very nice. Really dark tint. The damage, oh, pretty severe. This whole side, she got T-boned or something. Ouch. Look how this is out, sticking out. So the B-pillar, yeah, goodbye. Goodbye. A lot of damage there. Shoot, you know somebody was really surprised when they got spammed right in here and it ruined their car. That is, yeah, that's going to cost a lot of money to come back from that. Woo! Yes. Okay, it does say run and drive. It's a 2022, excuse me, Kia Stinger with 42,000 miles. Window tinting adds so much to cars. It really does. And it doesn't have to be the super dark. You can get the lighter shades and it adds a nice little touch. Here we go. Let's see here. This inside is nice. Here we go. Do you think I should crawl over and try to start it? I think I'm going to have to. I think so. Here we go. Ugh. This is going back to some gymnastics stuff here. Ugh. I'm coming in hot. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Ugh. All right, well, it's easy to get in and out of. Whew. That's a plus. Yep, 42,000 miles on the odometer. Look at that. System check. I wish they could put that in the blue like your car. If you could match the color of your car to the display, that would be super nice. So it does think that the back left door is open, which technically I guess it is because it's not latched because it's so out of alignment. We have an EPB light, whatever that is. 81 miles left of gasoline. You got a quarter of a tank. I don't want to do any windows because I don't want to mess anything. This is a nice looking interior. I mean, it's not the highest quality. Look how this is kind of, I don't know why they do that. That's weird. That looks like it's bent. See? But it's on all three of them. So it's not. Here we go. Drive safe. Confirm. Switching user profile because I'm not driver one. Oh, it says hello driver one. Starting first run setup. Skip. Yes. Oh, that's nice. We do have the AC on. We do not want the AC on. So we'll turn that off. It is a beautiful day. It's 63 degrees out here. We have the, oh, it knows. Let's turn up. See how we're changing the temperature? Sweet. That is cool. This is a nice looking instrument cluster. The steering wheel is nice too. I like the little GT look with it flattened right there. Nice, nice, nice. Does she go into, there's reverse. So that's good. Go into drive. That's nice. And then we have park engaged, as you can see right there. Oh, nice. Okay, well, where's my hood release? We'll do this. We will gracefully climb out of here somehow. Maybe if I scooted the seat back, it would give me more room to exit the vehicle. Look how far back it goes. That's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go feet first. Oops, sorry, that was my foot on the gas pedal. And then we're gonna go like this. And then we're gonna do a twist and a flip. Here's the twist and a flip and the dismount. Ta-da! Perfect. Okay, let's check out the engine. Well, it's been here a minute. There's a couple of spider webs on it. I like the bracing. That's nice. You got your nice little turbo right there. It's not the quietest engine, but it's okay. It's a little clickety-clackety. And it's a little smelly. Maybe this sat for a while. It has a slight mouse poop odor. If you bought old cars that have been sitting and you know, mice have moved in and then you heat up the poop on the engine, you get that smell. You've got the smell. Yeah, this car does have that smell. But anyway, if you can do some good body work and you're not afraid of B-pillar damage, which can get expensive, trust me, I know. I had a Mercedes ML350 that I had to replace the B-pillar on, and it was really costly. Anyway, if you're not afraid of that, this would be a good car for you. I really do. I like it in blue. It's very, very nice. Are you looking for a restoration project? Well, how about a Porsche 924? How old is this? She's had a hard life and probably sat for years and years and years. This is from 1978. Yeah, it doesn't say it runs and drive, doesn't say that the engine starts, no mileage listed. It's a repo? Lost type other. Oh no, that's the trucking company that came and got it. We do have some personal effects in the back right here. Let me put my Coca-Cola right here on this burned up vehicle and focus on the Porsche. Look at the lettering. I always loved that. Porsche 924. Very cool. Very cool. Well, we have some broken glass in the back. This is going to be a thing. I don't know who would be interested in this. It's not really super valuable. It's got the engine in the front. It looks kind of complete. Just the bodywork alone, though. And then you got to get 2 new seats. More broken glass. So some of this has been replaced. Yeah, some of this has been replaced. Let me just kind of take a little seat right here. 77,292 miles. Look at the gauges. Goes up to 150. What is the fastest you think this car has seen? I don't know. We are, you know, some of the pieces have been screwed in with some screws that don't belong in a vehicle. There we go. We fixed that. Okay. We got the little 4-speed right here, a Toshiba radio. And this used to hang from the rearview mirror. Maybe this is a Florida car. I don't know. There is no rearview mirror anymore. Nope, not at all. Unleaded fuel only. What does the clutch feel like? It feels like a clutch, believe it or not. Oh. This is a little bit, that's a little bit loose. Oh, there are keys. No way. Oh. Yeah, there's nothing. The key does turn. Can you see me turning it? So that's good. She will go into gear. Huh. This I don't like. It's a little bit loose for my taste. You want to see the good stuff? Here we go. You'll need an antenna. That's probably the least of your worries, though. Teeny tiny tires. The emblem is good. That's a bonus. Oh my gosh, this feels really, really heavy. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's there. Everything is there. Even your fluids. Okay. The belts look terrible. I'm sure the headlights pop right up. Just, you know, give her a charge and she'll start right up. Even though we've got lots of broken vacuum hoses here, the engine is complete. Look at that. And it's even holding itself up. That's good. Octune. Well, I don't have it in me to restore this. I just don't. I wish I did. This is just way too much work, and it's not really my specialty. They have taken out the spark plugs. Huh. Yeah, this is sat for decades. A very, very long time. So I think I'm going to say thank you. I'm sure you were gorgeous when you were young. And we're just going to slide this thing back down right here. Look at the paint, how cracked it is. Look at that. This is bad. You think it was red or black? I think it was black. Back in the day, they look better in red, but yeah, some Brillantis tires, 14-inch tires. Cool rims. But yeah, this is way past its prime. That's going to do it for another walk around video. A huge thank you to everybody here at IAA. I really enjoy coming out here and taking a look at these cars. I hope you like the videos too. They do really well, surprisingly well. So I'm going to keep doing them, and hopefully you'll keep watching them. I am still on the prowl for some cars to add to the channel. I think Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds asked me the other day how many cars I had, and including the vehicles at his location, AAR HQ. Do I want to admit this? Well, it's between 15 and 17. Do the math. Carry the one, divide by 2, and you know the answer. And some of them run and drive. Some of them don't. But they all have a lot of potential, and they are all equally loved, as are you, subscribers to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, if you want to get some love, subscribe to the channel. All right, have a good one, everybody. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.